Good morning, everybody. My name is Blair Anderson. We're here at Factory Outlet Trailers, and we have with us Trevor Chuchmuch. Trevor is our parts manager. Trevor, how long have you been with Factory Outlet Trailers?
I've been with Factory Outlet Trailers for a total of 11 years.
11 years. Wow, that's awesome. What do you like most about working here?
I would have to say the thing I like the most is the great team we have here. Everybody's always dedicated to the greatest customer service we can give you guys.
Awesome. Wow. So, looking around our lot with over 500 units on the lot today, what would you say would be your favorite trailer that we sell?
I would have to say it would be the Allcom Elevation series. It's the premium meant to be sled hauler, but it's also universal for hauling vehicles as well as ATVs and whatnot. It's got a great big premium escape door.
Nice. So you can use it all year round. What a great trailer.
Absolutely.
Cool. And if you could give one recommendation to a customer, what would it be?
I would have to say, really think of us as a one-stop shop. Me being the parts manager, I strive to beat up all of our vendors to get great costs and be very competitive with the competition. So you don't have a need to run around everywhere. You can get pretty much anything and everything you want to haul your trailer here.
Excellent. And one last question. What's one thing that nobody else would know about you?
Probably how I love the outdoors so much, whether it's on my snowmobile, hauling my daughter around on a pull sled, or out on my side-by-side enjoying the summer.
Wow, thanks for joining us today, Trevor. It's great to get to know you a little bit better. Again, thanks for joining us at Factory Outlet Trailers.
Take care.